Hello, welcome to another video in this 30 days JavaScript challenge with LeetCode. Let's do this. Filter elements from array. Okay. Given an integer array and filtering function fn, return a filled array, filtered array. I think it is similar to the previous one that we did. I did yesterday. The function takes an argument this index I filtered array should contain this. Okay. If the value is truthy, a truthy value is a value where Boolean value returns true. Okay. So basically, we can have any type of filter array, filter function, and basically there should be an array on which we apply the filter function and it should give us a filtered array, similar to the map function actually. Yes, similar to the previous coding statement. So if the array is 10, 20, 30, and the filter function is greater than 10, then we should get the output 20 and 30. Great. Okay. So again, we'll create a, should I create a array here? Yes, we'll create a array which is filtered array. Okay, empty filtered array. Now we'll iterate over the array because on each and every item of the array we have to apply the function, right? So for iterating over it, we have various ways. I can use for each, but I've explained you this is not the optimized way. If you haven't searched that, do search it and let me know in comments. That's why it is not the best option. The second option that we can use, which is a better one, is let item of array. I'm trying to use this another one. You can always iterate over the length, getting the index of each and every item like 0 to length L minus 1 or something like that. Let's try this. Let item. Okay, we got the item. Now for on that item, let's apply pass that item to function. Okay, and if they mentioned that this will give either a truthy value, true or false thing. Okay, so yeah, Boolean value. Okay, so let value equals to this. I'm using similar terminology here just so that you don't get confused and it becomes easier to follow. If Boolean value, it might look easy and it is easy, but the main point is that you are technically implementing the filter function of JavaScript. So these can be really good interview problems. Like if someone can ask you, do you know what do filters do in array? You can answer it. Okay, this works like this. You can write the code. Okay. The second question is, do you know how the filter function has been implemented, filter method has been implemented, and can you implement that? And that's one way of thinking about it. So yeah, that's why I think these are important actually. So if this is true, that means in filter function, we got the value that, okay, this item is something that we want. We will add this to this item. Push. What was that value? No, not the value. Actually, we have to push the original item. We have to push the original item. Okay. Like in 0, 10, 20, 30, we kept 20 and 30. We don't need its value. Value is either true or false. And once that is done, we can return filtered array. Yeah, let's run this. Okay, case 2 failed. Why did it fail? Okay, we have to pass the index also. This and this. I missed this index part actually. So let's okay now because we have index also, so the better way of doing this is let I equals to 0 colon I less than array dot length minus 1 colon I plus plus. Yes, and instead of item we'll use array of I and comma I. Let's see. Really sorry for that. Okay, item is not there, which is correct. Item is not there. So let's use this. Output is 20 and it should be 20 and 30. Okay. Let's see. No issues. Console.log. Let's debug this. and index I. Let's run this. False 10 0, false 10 1, true. Okay, minus 1 should not be there. The last item was creating the problem. All of test cases passed. Great. So yeah, that's it. So straightforward. The important thing is to understand how filter functions work. That's the important thing. And let's see the best solution. I think it should be same. Okay, they are just using exactly the same thing. It's just that they have compressed it, not introduced the variable and all those things. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.